to share with you how to make a dumplings. When I was a kid, my grandma had the best restaurant making dumplings. And now as I become a vegan, I still want to enjoy the delicious dumplings, but I'm going to make it with fake meat. I'll post below the link how to make the fake meat. I'm sifting the flour. So what I need, 650 gram sifted flour and 350 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon salt and 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I have 350 milliliters of water. I'm gonna make a hole in the middle and slowly adding I should work with this hand. I don't know why I start with the left. Okay, my dough is ready. It should be elastic but at the same time not sticky. So I'm gonna continue to mixing in a mixer. I'm going to add my olive oil. Okay, I have my 200 milliliter of vegetable broth. When it starts boiling, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of agar. About 5 minutes, it's ready. Okay, I just grounded my no meat in a food processor. You can see it. It's like a ground meat. The texture very similar. So now I'm waiting my agar vegetable broth will cool down, and I'm going to add also here, and I'm going to add 1 onion. Okay, my vegetable broth with agar is ready. You can see it's very jelly. So I'm going to mix this with the no meat. I'm going to take I'm going to add this here too. As I said, it will keep all together and we will have this juicy meat. Okay, when I did, I'm going to chop 1 onion. I'm gonna add 2 cloves of garlic here as well for the taste. I'm gonna add a little bit thyme. Salt, pepper, and cumin. Okay, my mixture no meat is ready. While I'm going to take care of the dough, it is going to the fridge. Wow, look at the texture of my dough. It's elastic and it's not sticky at all. You can see. I'm adding a little bit flour. So I'll do like 3 pieces. Okay, I'm cutting the pieces around the shape of round, and any shape of you like, you can make it. So I'm going to do different type of shapes. Okay, one more. Okay, I'm going to add the filling. Filling, right? Mm-hmm. We can try to do the different shapes. So I'm trying to do the traditional shape of the dumplings. Armenians and Georgians, they make this way. So this is the traditional shape of the dumplings. Okay, my dumplings are ready. I did like a Russian doll actually. This one from big to small. And another shape, yeah, the shape you can choose, it's very optional. You can do any shape of you want. So I'm waiting when my water is going to boil, and I'm going to add this there about like 5 minutes, and it will be the time to enjoy it. The filling by himself actually tastes delicious. If I give anybody this filling, and I would never say what made this, I'm sure 80%, 90% they are gonna think it's a ground turkey or ground chicken. It tastes like meat, which is good. You want dumplings with meat, but you are going to eat fake meat. Okay, my dumplings are ready, and I'm going to try. It's delicious. I love it. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you liked it, please thumbs up, subscribe for the future new videos, and please, if you try it, if you're gonna try it, just leave a comment. See you soon.